Hi, just another quick video from Steve Parker Limited. This is the left-hand drive power steering conversion steering box covers and the steering column covers. You'll see this is obviously not a left-hand drive vehicle, so we just fitted these up temporarily. It fixes to the original front panel screws. You'll see that the inner wing is a completely different shape to the right-hand drive ones. That section was put in back in 1958 for the 2-litre diesels when they used to use two 6-volt batteries, and they never removed it. So fix up on these two screws, like I said, and then we supply you with nutsets which go in down there. Obviously this panel needs to be removable for servicing to the steering box. Now the steering column cover, that's a fixture, so you can cut the panel out behind. It just fits in on the inner wing there, then all riveted in place. You would cut the steering box cover out to sit over here and move a tab over, like we did on the right-hand drive side. It's the same sort of principle, but again, it's just fitted temporarily. So it's a little bit easier on this side in some respects, but a bit more difficult in other respects. But same basic principle as right-hand drive. So just a quick video just to show you what it's all about. So thanks for watching. Till next time. Thank you.